Welcome!
How? Hi, welcome to my DIY session in the Magic Lab. Are your earrings scattered everywhere? Well, I have a best DIY organizer for you, and you will be grateful after making this. So let's begin.
Heat a knife and carefully cut this into 2 pieces. The small one is for small earrings, and the bigger one is for jhumkas and bigger earrings. Now make holes on both the ends.
Now cover these strips. Use black fabric kind of paper. Give cuts in the cavities. You have watched my video so far. I'm sure you're gonna make this perfect earrings organizer. So subscribe now so that you don't miss on the upcoming DIY hacks with me. Use self-stick nails as shown in video. Put them in the holes. And stick these strips on the inner side of your cupboard as shown in the image. Now once you are done organized 4 rows of your earrings, simply cover them with a shower cap to protect them from dust and to avoid color fading as shown in the image. For smaller rings, use such earring organizers. Cut strips carefully with a hot knife. And hang your rings.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Hope you liked our DIY. Let's meet next Wednesday. Until then, shine and shimmer!